Mega deals worth more than 10 billion are happening at a pace that has not been seen in years. Here we wanted to share with you about America's 8th merger wave and what's driving the deal. America is experiencing its 8th major merger and acquisition wave, with mega deals approaching record levels in 2025. The third quarter alone ranked amongst the busiest in the history, marking a dramatic shift within the corporate landscape. Understanding what's fueling this boom and the unprecedented complexity emerging in the tech sector offers insight into where American capitalism may be headed. Let's first understand the numbers behind the boom. Now, mega deals worth more than 10 billion are happening at a pace that has not been seen in years. Historic transactions are stacking up. Net Pacific, Norfolk Southern agreed to a merger in July. Electronic Arts saw the largest leveraged buyout ever at 55 billion in September. And infrastructure deals worth tens of billions are in the works. After the previous merger waves ended with the dot-com crash, the financial crisis, and the rising interest rates in 2022, deal activity has grown back into life. The four key drivers. Now, several factors are converging to create this environment. First and foremost, the confidence and the capital. Economic confidence has strengthened since earlier concerns about tariffs in the spring. More importantly, capital remains cheap and plentiful. High-yield bond spreads, the difference between the risky company borrowing costs and the governmental rates, are nearly as low as they were in 2007, making financing readily available. Then there are the regulatory shifts. The current administration's approach to antitrust has proven lighter than many executives initially feared. While there have been some interventions, overall the enforcement has been relaxed compared with the previous administrations. Bank merger rules have also been streamlined, and regulators have allowed deals to proceed that might have faced obstacles in the past. Then there is the technological progress. The artificial intelligence boom is driving deal making across multiple sectors, from data centers to the chip manufacturers. Companies are racing to build the AI infrastructure and secure their position in what many see as a transformational technology. And then there is the political dynamics. Proximity to the administration and promises of major investments appear to suit the path for deals. Government has also become a major shareholder in several companies at rates not seen since the financial crisis, with stakes in Intel, mining firms, and chip makers being rewarded by the investors.